Второй класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 108-109. English, Spotlight 2, homework page 108, 109. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 108. 108. Let's play. Exercise number 1. He is wearing a yellow t-shirt. He is wearing a red t-shirt. He is wearing a yellow t-shirt. He is wearing a red t-shirt. She is wearing a blue t-shirt. She is wearing a yellow t-shirt. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and repeat. The Kangaroo King is wearing a jacket and socks. Repeat once more. The Kangaroo King is wearing a jacket and socks. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. C-K. Перерисуй таблицу в тетради и заполни ее. Coat, jacket, king, sock, candle, kangaroo, chick, cat. The answer. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Page number 109. 109. Спой песенку, сопровождая движениями. Sing the song. Set sail with us. Join us, please. Set sail with us for English. Set sail with us upon the sea and swim with all the starfish. We love to sing, we love to play, we love to talk together. Set sail with us, set sail today, and be our friend forever. We've got some rhymes and stories too. We've got lots of things to do. So get on board. Set sail today. We're waiting here for you. Boys and girls, read exercise number 5 once more. Repeat after me. Set sail with us. Join us, please. Set sail with us for English. Set sail with us upon the sea and swim with all the starfish. We love to sing. We love to play. We love to talk together. Set sail with us. Set sail today and be our friend forever. We've got some rhymes and stories too. We've got lots of things to do. So get on board. Set sail today. We're waiting here for you. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.